Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I bring a new update for Aimogen, and starting from now you will be able to use the latest Gemini models 2.0 flash experimental in the plugin, and also you will be able to use extensions when you have the bot model set to Gemini from Google. So if you use Google models listed here, then you will be able to use also the latest extensions from Aimogen, because until now extensions were not supported by Google models, but today I add support for this. So check Aimogen, it is linked in this video's description, and you will be able to use also extensions. So let me demonstrate the power of the latest Gemini 2.0 Flash model. It's really fast and it also provides really good quality responses in content, and let me show you it in the chatbot. So I saved the bot model to be used is Gemini 2.0, and extensions, let me activate RSS feed parser extension just to demonstrate this feature. So for this I have here the default chatbot enabled. I check also enable chatbot extensions in the preview from below checkbox, and let's go and for example parse this RSS feed from VP beginner. So let's ask the chatbot, hi, parse this RSS feed for me please, and we will get a longer waiting time from the chatbot's part, and this means that the chatbot is calling a tool. So are AI website builders worth the hype? Are AI website builders worth the hype? So it parsed the RSS feed and it returned the feed's contents because it was able to call tools and to get the contents from the RSS feed. How to view a WordPress backup as a website. WordPress backup as a website. Here it is. Okay, so other tools will also be available: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and other postings, webhook calling, God mode, email sending, YouTube video search, lead capture, royalty-free image search, YouTube video caption extraction, and many image generation models. Even reasoning will be supported for the Google Gemini models. We're using this extension, and many more will come also in the future. So this is just a quick heads up video that you will be able to use 2.0 Flash from Google Gemini, and also extensions will be supported from now on in Aimogen when using Google Gemini. Okay, so keep me if you have any ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. They are welcome. And this is all for today. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated, and thank you for watching. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.